Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be doing a full garden haul over. As you can see, the collard greens have completely taken over the bed. They are starting to go to seed. I don't need seed, so I'm gonna harvest what I can and chop some of this, some of it down, and clean the bed out. Harvest the sweet potatoes from the bottom because I know that they're there, and then I'll move on from there. I'll probably keep 1 or 2 trunks, and hopefully they keep on growing. But I have a whole bunch of other new collard green seeds coming up, so I might just end up pulling this stuff out. So this is the before, and on top of that, I just got back from Orange County, and I picked up this brand new cutting. This is a Zunta 5 Paco right here that I picked up from a fellow dragon fruit gardener in Orange County, which is about 25 minutes away from my house. I probably will not see fruit from this until next year, but this is one of those you gotta have in your collection. I said I wasn't gonna be growing or purchasing any more dragon fruit cuttings, but I had to grab that one. So anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit the like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be cleaning up the garden. I really hate to cut this collard green down because the bees are here and they're buzzing and doing all that, but it's something that has to be done. So I'm gonna try to clean it up as much as possible, and continue to get the work going to get these beds ready for the other seeds that I have to plant. Drop those seeds if you have them. Times are changing, things are getting crazy out here, so I'm trying to be proactive in the growing of my food, more so now than ever. So this work has to get done. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so this is what the bed looks like now. Cleared out the bed. I grabbed the sweet potatoes from there, chopped off the tops right here to keep it from going to seeds. Hopefully it'll stay nice and beautiful like this. So I'm going to add more soil. And this is what the harvest looks like. I'm going to cook some, and I'm going to give some away. All right. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Juice over J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.